Well, it's the 2nd of January 2019 and first day back to work, and the main purpose for this recording is just to see the quality of the Sena Prism Tube. Only got it a couple of days, and I want to see what the quality is like at 60 frames per second and in very low light. As you can see, it's still about 7 o'clock in the morning in the heart of a winter, and it's been a cold one. I've got so many layers on today. I feel like one of the astronauts strapped in, and yeah. So the second thing, obviously, which I would like to check out is the quality of the sound. The sound quality. I can't do anything about my voice. That's me. But would like to see the quality of the sound. See how it is recorded. And yeah. And that's about it. So main purpose, quality of video, and almost darkness on the motorway. It's particularly windy today. Talking about some cold polar wind coming in, or air coming in, bringing what they call a fog freeze. So expecting a few really cold days ahead this week. But hey, well, there's nothing like bad weather, just bad gear, I suppose. But on a motorbike, there's always something like too much. We're not there yet. So basically today I'm wearing about 3 layers, a fleece underneath my armor jacket, and then just a rain jacket over it for extra wind protection. And yeah, it's nice and toasty in here. It's not too bad. My trousers is just a single layer of armor with the inner lining, of course, and that's a little bit cooler, but not uncomfortably cool. So all well. And then I've got my Gerbing heated gloves, and that's set at the lowest level, which is adequate. Brings the temperature in the glove to just under room temperature, I would think, which is ideal for this kind of situation. Not too hot, but at least your fingers don't freeze off. And yeah. Looking forward to going back to work. I've got lots and lots of things going on at the moment, so no point in delaying it after the holidays, and just get in there and start making that to-do list a little bit smaller. well, that's me. I'm not far from work now, and looking forward to seeing how this video recordings come out. Till later.